Welcome to week 37 of 52 of Stock Roulette, where I invest around $50 a week randomly into one stock. I just load this week's top 10 pick into pickrandom.com, give her a spin, and then we talk about why I made my list for that week. The point of this game is to see if we can beat the average 8 to 10% annual return. Most of the companies that I look at are in the future thinking and businesses within the innovation space and in many of these spaces. We are knee deep into September and markets are a bit toppy from most recent earning reports in good quarters. But the growth space has not been rallying as much this year since its highs back in February. And that's primarily due a lot to the high prices due to the bad PE or price to earnings ratios. Of course, everyone's worried about inflation still and tapering, and now the economy and the markets, because the Delta variant is ravaging the economy. And that's why most of the stocks that I look at have 10x potential if they continue to pursue within the innovation space. We just have to write out a few of these quarters of debt and slow volume, days without any good PR. But if you guys want to see my last 36 weeks of stock picks and some quick DD videos, I'll add a card above for those. All right, let's get into this week's spin. LCID. This week's pick is Lucid Group, ticker LCID. Lucid's been on my list since the very beginning when they were still CCIV SPAC. For any Tesla fans like me out there, Lucid is a very interesting company to look at. First off, the CEO of Lucid is the guy that basically helped put Tesla on the map with the Model S, which is an amazing machine. So let's just back up a little bit. If you're in the dark about Lucid, they're an American EV car manufacturer that merged with a SPAC and went public about a month ago. What's even more crazy is when the rumor came about the merger, CCIV SPAC shot up to almost $65 a share. This is because people are very excited about this company. Their very first product, the Lucid Air, will be one heck of a machine, and the price starts around the 70s, which is equivalent to the Tesla Model S, with the most range of any EV out there of over 500 miles per charge and almost 1,100 horsepower. There will be 4 models of the Air: the Pure, the Touring, the Grand Touring, and the Dream Edition, topping out to almost $170,000. And all the models are going to look very similar and pretty freaking awesome and futuristic. So like the Tesla Model X, the windshield goes all the way back. The dash is all digital, but what the Tesla doesn't have is fully reclining rear seats for max comfort for the back seats. Also, Lucid is working on its next vehicle. It's an SUV called the Gravity. It's scheduled to hit by about the end of 2023. Now, Lucid is known for some pretty advanced technology that they use, including some advanced next generation end cooling battery tech, ultra compact state-of-the-art in-house synchronous PM motor, the bidirectional charging system, and of course the state-of-the-art 900-volt inverter. And that's just to name a few things. So you can charge that thing about 300 miles in 20 minutes. I can go on and on about how ahead of most of the companies Lucid is projected to start. Well, except for Tesla and NIO. They're actually up there too. So Lucid has about 8 showrooms already open to the public, and another 7 under construction. And they partnered with Amplify America for its charging network, and already constructed a huge state-of-the-art facility in Arizona to begin production in the second quarter of this year. It seems they've been delayed just a bit, but they're right around the corner from rolling these cars out. They have over 10,000 paid reservations for the Lucid Air and expected to build another 2.7 million square foot facility by 2023. And most of the cash to fund the SPAC was from Saudi Arabia. And of course, the news just hit just a couple days ago that they plan on doing a production line in Saudi Arabia by 2024. So as the merger happened, they collected $4.5 billion of cash to get rolling, but they don't expect to be cash flow positive until sometime in 2024-ish. So this is definitely a long-term investment. Now it's equivalent to about $3,000 a share pre-split. Well, that's where Lucid is, but some of their technology I think is a little bit more advanced coming out of the gate than what even Tesla is putting out right now. So coming back to investing long-term, the base floor for this for the big wigs was about $15 a share for the current PIPE valuation, and it's trading around the $20 a share level, which is not much more than that. There's really no analysts covering this stock right now since it's so new and we're just getting started with it. So we're gonna buy it, we're gonna hold it, we're gonna watch all the great things that are to come from there. And let's not forget the EV space is growing exponentially every single quarter. Look back at some of the other picks that we've talked about, such as ChargePoint, NIO, and look at their growth. It's been astronomical. All right, let's go make a quick purchase. LCID. Lucid Group currently trading for $20. So we're gonna buy 3 shares for $60.21. There we go, we're all set. Hey guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and please make sure you do your own research before you buy any stocks. Like in all my videos, I wear my custom designer dress shirts. This is my primary business. I make American-made, high-end designer dress shirts. If you guys want to check them out, I'll put a link below. And if you don't trade yet, I recommend Robinhood and Webull. They're both free, and they're very easy to set up and save. I like Webull better because if you throw $100 in, I like Webull better because you can trade before the market's open and after the market closes, just in case you got to catch those gains. And I'll link those two down below as well. And hope you guys found some value in this video. Do me a favor and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell. I have one video coming every single week for the weekly stock pick series.